Come and get your girl. Queen Virgin Remy, Queen Virgin Remy, Queen Virgin Remy.
Hey guys, so today I did these beautiful wand curls on this hair. It's from AliExpress. I think it's called princess hair. I got them in a size 18, 20, 22, and 24. I didn't use all my bundles because half of my hair shaved in the back and I didn't need all my bundles. So I think I used 24, 22, and 18. This is how it looked. The look came out, and I've used these Bellami 12-in-1 wand curls today, and I love these wands. They have different sizes, and I used the Heat 450. Yeah. So this is how the wand curl looks. I don't know what the size of this barrel is, but if I find out, I'm gonna put in the link in the description box, so you guys can go on the Instagram and check them out. This look, it was very easy to achieve. I just used the paddle brush. I used the paddle brush, a big tooth comb. You can use one bigger than this. I just used this. I prefer bigger combs than this because you don't want to uncurl your hair. You don't want to comb them out. So, but this is a butterfly clips. I love butterfly clips. I have another one. I don't know where I did one. I just used one for the video, but I usually use two. And get you some butterfly clips. Also use this Jamaican castor oil. I was trying to use my Mazani oil. Mazani oil will work better because this one's kind of heavy and sticky. I think this oil is just for natural hair, but I just couldn't find my Mazani oil, so I just used this. Also use my Amika holding spray. Yeah, this holding spray. And this smells so good, and I didn't get it because it smelled good. It actually works amazing. It holds curls for a very long time. And I also use this Reflections for a shine. And this is, when you use this, you gotta be very careful. You gotta like hold it back from your hair. It'll weigh it down a lot, so I just hold it back and spray. I got a frontal on, and I use this glue. And I used a toothbrush to make these fake edges. Just push them to the side. I only like using that size, so I got right here, because it works faster. And when you do small curls, you gotta take smaller parts. That's why I like using this one. You can take medium parts, medium to big parts with your hair. With smaller, you gotta go smaller parts. This is amazing hair. Like I said, I actually don't have any shedding with this hair, and I don't have bad tangles. Like, I get a tangle here and there, but it's not really bad to the point where I can't stand it. When I put my hair up, I use these sponge rollers, and to tie my hair up, all you gotta do is follow how you use them on there, and it's gonna stay the same. And you curl the ends. That's how I do that. Tie your hair up with one of these nightcaps. Get the satin ones. Hey guys, so today we're going to curl some hair. First thing I use is a paddle brush to make sure I comb all the tangles that I have in the hair, so the curling process will be easier. I start from the bottom and I work my way up to the middle part to when I brush my hair. And now I'm going into some Jamaican castor oil. Don't use a lot of that oil because it's very heavy, so I just take a little drop and I work that through all the hair. Now I'm just parting my hair, the back part of my hair, so I won't have all the other hair in the way. Now I'm taking little sections, well, medium part sections, and I'm putting that on the wand. As y'all can see, I'm curling away from my head because I want my curls to not fall in my face. Now I'm holding the curls so the curls can come out tighter. Now I'm taking another section and I'm doing the same thing I did with the first section to that hair. Same with the other side. You curl away from the face. You don't ever curl towards the face. Now I took out the butterfly clip and I took some more hair out. When you do curls, it's better to section your hair off so you won't have your hair looking jacked up. Because if you use more parting than you're supposed to, the curls won't come out how all the other curls look like. So now I'm going into my Amika holding spray. This is some very good holding spray, you guys. So get you some. And I sprayed that on the bottom section so it could already set in, because I already did 2 sections of hair. Now I just took out the front part of my frontal and I'm working my way towards the front part of the frontal. You're going to see at the end why I do this way instead of curling towards my face. See how that looks? It's just not in my face like how if you were to curl another way. And you also hold your hair in for at least, how many minutes? I'll say 30 seconds. When you do that, you don't want to burn out your hair, so I'll say 30 seconds. Now I'm using a big tooth comb. You can actually use one bigger than that. I just had that at the moment and I couldn't find my bigger comb. I don't know what I was doing there. But now I'm going into my reflections. This is some, I'm using this for the shine. It's very heavy, so be careful how you use that. And now that's the finished look. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. And that's all for this video today. I hope you guys enjoy. Well, these are how the curls look. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.